open and willing to forgive yourself the same way you forgive everyone else, the same way you forgive your family members who perhaps have done you wrong, that friend of yours that perhaps have let you down one way or another, that partner of yours, your boyfriend or girlfriend who lets you down, who continues to let you down. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel if you're new here, and welcome back if you're already part of the tribe. Today we're going to talk about how to be happy. Even as I say it, it's kind of funny because in my opinion, happiness is a feeling and feelings come and go. We have happy moments. It's not like you're going to be happy or you are happy and you're going to be happy forever for the rest of your life. It's not how it works, in my opinion. There are happy moments, there are sad moments, there are desperate moments, there are angry moments, there are many different types of emotions that we feel, and none of them last forever. None of them are permanent. One of the main reasons why I feel that happiness is momentarily, and an easier way to explain it to you is that we're not in control of anything that happens outside of us, right? We've already discussed that. Being that we're not in control of what happens outside of us, those things that happens outside of us do still impact us, right? Like anything that can happen. Like what? Let me see. I'll say a few things. Like not having coffee in the morning, maybe that can affect your mood. Like stubbing your toe on a door, how painful is that? These are little things that can affect your mood, right? You're no longer happy if you're in pain after stubbing your toe. You're no longer happy after not having the coffee that you're looking forward to. Now let's talk about other things on the other side of that spectrum. What about a loss, having the loss of a loved one, which is out of your control, but it still affects your happiness? Losing your job, dealing with sickness of your own, or a family member or friend or someone close to you that is dealing with a sickness. These are things that can affect your emotions, which is, in my opinion, another way to help you understand where I'm coming from and how happiness, it's having moments of happiness, being happy for some moments. Now that we got that out of the way, let's talk about realistic tips that can help you feel happy. Appreciate the small things. When you are aware of what you currently have, of what you're grateful for, this opens the door to receive even more. Not being grateful for what you currently have and what you're fortunate and blessed to have in your life, and always wanting more, will only send you down this rabbit hole. There's nothing wrong with wanting more. However, when you're not grateful for what you currently have and only want more, selfishly and savagely, which means what you currently have, it's not enough, you're not grateful for, and you just want more, nothing will ever be enough, because you'll continue that cycle of having more, getting more, still wanting more, but not really grasping and being in the present and appreciating what you currently have. Be aware of what happens here in your mind. Be fully aware of your mind and your thoughts. What happens in your mind? What do we think about? Be aware and be mindful of your own self-criticism. Don't be hard on yourself. Be aware of your negative thoughts. Don't think negative. When you think negative, you attract negativity. Stop comparing yourself to others. Someone else's life, glamorous lives, luxurious life, or them being in a relationship that you may not be in a relationship, but you would love to be in a relationship, them having materialistic things that you wish you had, them having friends, the kind of friends that you wish you had. You have no idea what really happens in those relationships, platonic or romantic. You have no idea how much it costs that person to get everything that they currently have that you wish you had. You have no idea about their life. Work hard on your life to get yourself where you want to be, where you don't have to compare yourself to someone else. Comparison is truly a thief of joy. So you're cheating yourself and taking away your own joy, your own blessings in your own life while you're focused on someone else's. Catch yourself when you're complaining. We're not perfect, right? It happens. Now, when you catch yourself and you do something about it, that is what makes a difference. Stop holding on to anger. Anger does absolutely nothing for you except waste your time. Waste the precious time that you will never get back. Just settle the issue, settle the concern, and move on. Let go of any grudge that's holding you back, that's making you feel miserable, that's just keeping you in this dark hole, because that's really what it is. In order to be happy, it is important for you to express yourself without having any limitations, because your feelings are valid. And in order for you to live the life that you want to live, you should be able to express yourself. It's also good to freely express yourself. That way you don't just bottle it all up. Because when you do, there will come a time where you do want to let it all out, but this time you're going to explode. And it's not what we want. Be present. Being present, it's something that has helped me so much feel more happy. Have much more, many more happy moments. Because I'm present and I am living my life much more intentionally. I am living in the moment. That alone, it's amazing. And I dare you to do the same. Be more present and you'll see just how much more happy you will feel. Stay true to yourself. While you're being present, remain true to yourself. Do what makes you happy. Do what brings you joy. And take in everything that's around you. Because every day counts, every minute counts, everything counts. That's why being present is so important. Because at the end of the day, just like 2020 taught us, we don't know what the future holds. All we have is the present. So embrace it and enjoy it. Last but certainly not least is be kind to yourself. Being kind to yourself and being compassionate with yourself brings such a level of happiness. Because you're no longer the one criticizing yourself. You're no longer the one belittling yourself. You're no longer the person that's constantly 24/7, right? Because you are with yourself all day, every day. You're no longer putting yourself down. You're uplifting yourself. You're loving yourself. You are understanding of yourself. You understand that you're human. You understand that people make mistakes. Humans make mistakes. If you make a mistake, be open and willing to forgive yourself the same way you forgive everyone else, the same way you forgive your family members who perhaps have done you wrong, that friend of yours that perhaps have let you down one way or another, that partner of yours, your boyfriend or girlfriend who lets you down, who continues to let you down. If you can let these people off the hook and forgive them, you can forgive yourself. Be open to do what you do for others for yourself. You have to love yourself the same way you love others. Do for yourself the same way you do for others. And you will see just how much your life will change. But you have to decide to want that type of life. And once you decide and start making micro changes, tiny, small changes, because it doesn't have to be all done abruptly, It takes time. Everything takes time. Once you get that, you'll be so happy. You'll be so proud of yourself. It's rewarding. So allow yourself to love yourself unconditionally, the same way you love others and the way that you deserve to love yourself. That is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning back in. I really do appreciate you, and I appreciate your time. Thank you so much for all of your support. Don't forget to share this video. If you like this video and you find it valuable, then share it. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't forget to like this video. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it. Give me a big thumbs up and like it. And don't forget to comment down below. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts. What did you think about while you were watching this video? And subscribe. If you're not already part of the tribe, then don't forget to subscribe and join the tribe. And I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.